Hey guys, good morning one and all. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. So in the last class I completed that we started the arithmetic. In the arithmetic, what are the ratios, what are the averages, we saw that. In this session I will teach you that comparison of ratios, how to compare the ratios. So normally if there is a normal letters you can compare guys. You know this, how to compare that. Yes or no? If for example there are numbers 2 and 3, which one is a bigger, which one is a smaller? When you are comparing to the small whole numbers, you can say directly 3 is greater than 2. Now we know that how to compare in this particular way, but how to compare the letters in the fraction. So in actually in the last class I prepared the videos also. If the videos are for example 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, out of these two which one is a bigger and which one is a smaller? So how to compare this these fractions? Now comparison this particular fractions the important thing is I will tell you the one best method to how to solve the problem, how to solve these problems. I will tell you one best method. Your simple job is just to do the cross multiplication like this. How I am telling that, how I am writing, just do the cross multiplication is 1 into 3. In the numerator is what? 1. Below of this just write 1 into 3 is how much? 3. Right here 3. Now after that 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is how much? 2. Now tell me the guys, out of these two numbers which one is a bigger number? This. Yes. Now what I am wrote here, just similar way. What is the symbol is this? Greater than symbol na? Just write here greater than symbol. Now that means that out of these two 1 by 2 is a bigger than 1 by 3. That is a comparison of ratio, right? Understood that? I will tell you one more example. For example, the numbers are 2 by 7 and wait, I will use other pen, black. If this is 2 by 7 and this is 9 by 8, now tell me that out of these two which one is a bigger number? How to compare that? What I told to you, just do that cross multiplication. I hope you are good in tables, calculations, yes or no? So in that way, if I write here 2 into 8, how much guys? 2 8s are 16. Where I have to write? Either I have to write here or here. Where I have to write 2 into 8, 16. I have to write here. Right? 7 into 9, how much? 7 9s are 63. Right here. Now decide, out of these two which one is a bigger and which one is a smaller? 63 is bigger than 16. We all are knows that. So whatever number is bigger here, 63 is the number. What is the symbol? Less than symbol. Same, whatever the symbol is there here, just copy the symbol and above, right there above. Yes. Now which fraction is bigger? 9 by 8 fraction is bigger than 2 by 7. So this is the best way to compare the ratios guys. So if you compare the ratios in this way, then you can do any problem, any comparison of ratios or how many numbers, how many 3 fractions or 4 fractions, doesn't matter. That is not depends upon how number of fractions, it depends upon what? Just cross multiplication. In one step you kill it, right? So this is a comparison of ratio. And what's the next topic they will mention? Understood? I hope you understood this, right? Then next thing is, I will zoom out it once. Comparison of ratios is the first one is completed. Then increase or decrease of ratio. Yes, increase or decrease means what? Suppose a quantity, yes, suppose a quantity increase or decrease in the ratio A is to B, then new quantity is equal to B by A of the original. B by A of the original. Did you understood this what they said? Yes, I will show you. For example, In the first number, quantity is 2 by, first ratio is a 2 by 3 is a ratio. Either increase or decrease. What to do? What they are saying? Write in reverse order, means 3 by 2. Increase or decrease? They do the cancellation. How much you got? 1. Right? Either that is increase or decrease. How can you decide that? So this is not the way to solve like this the problem. Not do the cross multiplication. Your increase or decrease only the decided when just if you write whatever they write the problem, that is they wrote the what A is to B na. So instead of that just write B by A or B is to A. So along on this kind of topic I will explain more and more how to increase, how to decrease, how much is this increase, how much is the decrease. Later I will explain you that. Just now, right now you remember that only thing, A is to B, instead of A is to B, you write that B is to A when you have to do the comparison, sorry, increase or decrease. Now I hope you all knows that. What is the inverse ratio? What is the meaning of the inverse ratio, guys? The inverse ratios is nothing but if there is a number A is to B, then you have to write that inverse is nothing but B is to A. Inverse is nothing but B is to A. How the B is to A is came? How the B is to come? Now I will show you that. Look at on screen. So if the number 1 is 2, if the number 1 is to 2, then first when you are in the inverse, whatever the number is there, just write 1 by, what is this number? 1. Your numerator should be the 1 and east symbol, and here is the word 1 by, this numerator ones are default 1, you have to write like this, and by 2 by 2. Now after completion of this, what to do? Cross multiplication only. 1 into 2, 2, right here 2, 1 into 1, 1, right, ratio form. In the beginning first ratio is about 1 is to 2, next what we got the after inversion? 2 is to 1. If any numbers either 3 is to 5 is there, for example 3 is to 5 is there, inverse of this is what we will get? 5 is to 3. Just reverse of numbers will give the inverse of the numbers. Understood, guys? Now what is the next? What is the next? Compound ratios. The compound ratios are very important. I will tell you that. What are the compound ratios? I will erase this and I will tell you. Here. Now see, compound ratios means, for example, if A is to B, double is to C is to D. When the ratios are 2 or 3 ratios are they are giving in like this, then you have to write in compound. Compound ratios means that you have to multiple like this. The given statement, see that how they are did. Compound ratios A is to B and C is to D. A is to C and B is to D. See how they are did. A is to C and B is to D. Now multiple the numbers. A into C is to B into D. Right? This is the way. So just multiply these two numbers and multiply these two numbers, that will give that compound ratio. For example, 1 is to 2, double is to 3 is to 4. If the numbers are like this, 1 is to 2 and double is to 3 is to 4. Then how to do compound of this ratio? So anyone can pause the video and tell me the answer. 1 is to 2, double is to 2 is to 3. Then whatever our target, when you are doing the compound ratio, do A into C and B into D. Yes. First number is always A, second B, third C, fourth D. You have to assume like that. Now 1 into 3 how much? 3. I am writing directly. 1 into 3 is how much? 3. 2 into 4 is how much? 8. The compound ratios of 1:2, double is to 3:4 is 3:8, guys. Understood that? That is the compound ratio. Now, what's the next? See. Okay. Where is the next paper? Compound ratio, next paper. Duplicate, triplicate ratios will be there. Yeah, just wait. I will adjust the papers. Page number 59. 61 is not there. 60 is not there. Okay. Okay, guys, don't worry about that, and I will explain that here. One important thing is duplicate ratios, duplicate, subduplicate, triplicate. I will subtriplicate. Yes, just concentrate it. Duplicate, duplicate ratio. What is the meaning of duplicate ratio? See that. Nothing is there, guys. I will explain that. What is the duplicate ratio? For example, if the any number a is to b, they will give that a is to b. Then they will ask that question directly, sir, now tell me that what is the duplicate ratio of a is to b? Sir, now tell me that what is the ratio of duplicate ratio of a is to b? Then your job, guys, a square is b square. Your job is a square is b square. So, for example, I will take the example and I will explain. 2 is to 3 is there. For example, 2 is to 3. Consider this is the 2 and this is 3. And what is the duplicate ratio? They will ask a direct question. What is the duplicate ratio of this 2 is to 3? 2 square is 3 square. 2 square value is a 4, 3 square value is a 9. That's the answer. Got it? Then the next question. See the next question, I will show you one more question to you. The next question is, if
duplicate means how to solve the problem. Now see that in the previous case we wrote a is to b, then we wrote that a square is to b square. In this case, when you are in the word sub, root a is to root b. You use that word root a is to root b. For example, you take the question is to 5 is to 2, then subduplicate of this answer is what? Root 5 is to root 2.
That's the answer. Got it? And one more question. I will tell you that 7 is to 3. Then the solution of this is what? Solution of this is root 7 is root 3, that is subtriplicate ratio. And the next thing is triplicate. Next is what? Triplicate ratio. What is the meaning of triplicate? When you have found the solution for the duplicate, what is the solution? Duplicate means square. Triplicate means guess that? Cube. Nothing is there, just cube. If A is to B is there. Sir, can you write that triplicate ratio of A is to B? Yes. That is A cube is B cube. A cube is to B cube. For example, question is 2 is to 3 is there. Sir, can you write triplicate ratio of this? Yes. That is what? 2 cube is 3 cube. I know that. What is a 2 cube? 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times we have to multiply. Multiply how many now? How many times? 3 times to the base number. 2 into 2 into 2. Which I got? 8 is 9 cube means 3 cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So final my answer is this. So I hope you understood this, guys. Triplicate ratio means what? A cube is to B cube. Now the next thing, sub triplicate ratio. We see that what is sub triplicate ratio.
East B, this is east guys.
A is to B, then subtriplicate of ratio is cubic root of A is cubic root of B, right? A is yes, A is to B is equal to cubic root of A is to, cubic root of B, right? And then see the answer for this. For example, write that here I will write 8 and 27. Yes, and what is the subtriplicate ratio of 8 is to 27? Cube root of 8 is cube root of 27. Got it? Yes. Now, how to solve this problem? If you know, try to solve the problem. And this is
our channel is what is that? Smart study. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.